Hi everyone, my name is Orsi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. First of all, big welcome to all new subscribers who joined us since last Tuesday. I had an incredible response after the video of Morissette, so thank you so much for your supporting, lovely comments and lots of information, lots of requests you gave me. So I'm gonna try to do my best and make all the requests come true. And today I chose actually Akin Kanalang. Yes, sorry. So I chose a version that it has English subtitle. So in this case, I will understand the lyrics as well. Like I said in my other videos, I don't do first time reactions. I'm sorry, my aim is not to get more and more views. If it happens, wonderful. If not, not. My aim is to give you a proper analysis and on every level, basically, like vocally, physically, mentally, emotionally. I'm a singing teacher and I've been teaching for over 17 years. And my approach is very holistic. So I look at the whole picture, not just the voice. So that's why I would like to give you a proper voice analysis today as well. Okay, so let's see. I'm quite in a treat because I love the language. It's really nice. So let's see what's happening here. Okay, very excited.
Bakit hindi mo maramdaman? Ikaw sa akin ay mahalaga. Ako sa'yo'y kaibigan lamang. Paano nga ba't di ko matanggap? At ako pa ba'y iibigin pa? Ang dinadasal, nakikiusap na lang. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Ang dinadasal sa araw-araw. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. At maghihintay hanggang akin ka na.
Okay, again, I hate to interrupt, but yeah, let's see these parts. It's hard to actually talk about only the technique because it's so overwhelming when I listen her singing. It's in a good way, I mean, positive way. She brings up so much emotion, so much thought, so much feelings. And at the same time, I try to watch the lyrics. I try to, focus on the technique. Beautiful technique, by the way. So I already, see that last time that she has a beautiful technique and a perfect voice, perfect technique for this R&B style. But again, she is not just not just the usual R&B singer. I think I told this in the last video that I'm not a big fan of R&B, but when I listen to her, it's like her voice is going inside and everything, all the parts that it was okay, what's happening? See, I'm not this crying baby, but if anytime I'm watching or listening to her, I'm just crying. Okay, sorry. So, like I said, it's like when I'm listening to her, the voice is going inside and is like kind of healing the little spots healing the scars inside. That's incredible, actually. I never experienced this before. She's so innocent, the sound, the voice, the soul when she sings. It's not just the voice, obviously, and always tell that like singing is a storytelling, singing is expressing who you are. And I can feel that innocence that's coming from her, and I really hope that she's gonna keep this and stay like this, because this is like a treasure. And yes, so that's how I feel that her voice has healing has a power of healing. And just like the music in general, is absolutely like one of the biggest, it has the biggest power of healing. There is a reason why it's called music therapy. So it feels like that she kind of, when she sings, she heals the little scars inside. And it's beautiful. If we're talking about technique, I'm gonna stop crying, I swear. No, okay. So technically, like I said, she is using a beautiful falsetto, mixed voice, and a light, very light belting. Not here, not yet. Here she just used actually mixed voice and falsetto.
Sa pana kinib lamang nahahagat nayayakap ka at ako pa ba'y iibigin pa ang dinadasal makikiusap na lang akin ka na lang akin ka na lang ang dinadasal sa araw-araw akin ka na lang akin ka na lang at maghihintay hanggang akin ka na
What you can see that she is smiling constantly, which is the reason why it's smiling is good in general. First of all, not because we look so much better when we smile, but when we sing, we always sing above our mustache line, which means that we need to separate the technique, we need to separate ourselves from the throat. So we don't sing anything from the throat. Doesn't matter if it's a low note or a middle note, we always need to imagine that whatever we sing, it's projected up here. You might heard this expression before, like using the mask. I like to use the terms like focusing on the third eye, the direction of the third eye, like this. So whatever you sing, if you project or if you imagine the sound goes there, it's gonna raise up here. So you're not gonna use your throat and you're not gonna hurt yourself. If you're constantly using your throat for singing, that's when the damage could happen after a while. And by the way, you guys mentioned that she had a throat tumor, which is probably the worst thing that could, a singer can imagine, or it could happen with a singer. So I actually checked this out because I was curious what this happened. And yeah, so she said when she was 11, she had the tumor in her throat at this part. This is already quite, shocking when she's 11 and she has a tumor. It's more common that it happens later or we just overuse the throat. Well, I don't know how about you, but I believe that everything happens for a reason. And I believe and know that behind every illness, it has a emotional or mental reason. So obviously a physical illness, a physical pain, it's just a reaction of what's happening inside. So I don't know what kind of childhood did she have. I don't know what she brought, from previous lives and things like that. But having a tumor when she is 11, that's not a common thing that, oh yeah, it happens with anyone. Luckily, actually, she overcame this. So even when I saw her interviews, she's so sweet, she's so kind, and I really, really hope that she can keep this. But definitely because she is so innocent, she probably has to learn how to become stronger like a phoenix. So obviously, we're gonna have some hard time and bad times in our lives when we just break down, but the question is how we carry on. And even she said that I could have quit, but I didn't. And I love this. So anyway, let's carry on.
At ako pa ba'y ibigin pa ang dinadasal makikiusap
she has a lot to give. She has a lot of love, and no, actually, that's the best way to say describe. She has a lot to give. That's how I feel, and yeah, based on the lyrics, which I hope actually it was a good, the right translation. So obviously, this is a love song. Yeah, this is a love song. It's hard to actually say anything because again, so I don't know how about you, but it's just like I said, she's able to bring up so many thoughts and emotions and memories, and I'm just trying, it's like a puzzle, so I'm trying to pull the words together, like what I can say about her, what I can say about the technique, and sometimes it's hard to say anything because I just want to hear and listen and just think like, okay, all right, okay, I get it, even I have to understand this performance, and it's hard to just start to talk immediately. But I'm really appreciate. I'm very grateful for you guys to recommend all these songs of her, and this is a beautiful song. Again, the word I can say, it's like, again, innocence and so pure, and full of love, and she has a lot to give, and we need that. Definitely, we need that. And I love the language. I really like the language. I've never heard actually I guess this is a Philippine language. And I never heard this before. And it's very lovely. It's very good to sing. For many times, many years, I would say that in my whole life, I was convinced that English is the right language for singing. But lately, I listened so many international singers who sang in, like, every other languages than English, and it absolutely doesn't matter. I had to realize it doesn't matter, because if you're able to express yourself through your voice, through music, I understand. I don't need English, and even though I put the English subtitle there, but I just want to listen. I don't want to watch or read the lyrics. Yeah, it's good to understand, but I understand so much more when I just listen to music, when I just listen her singing, because it's coming through. She is definitely in the flow when she's singing. She is so happy. She is sparkling. And when you sing like this is when you express. This is when you truly able to translate yourself in the singing, in the song, in your voice. You need to be in the flow when you do that. Otherwise, you just sing a song and, okay, thank you. But this, she's happy. Like, when she sings, she's happy. She's smiling. She is sparkling. And the smile, beautiful. It's so simple. She sings like, especially those whistle notes. I love that. I love when this is the true power. When you sing, like it's the most natural and easiest thing on earth. Because this is the time when I know that, yes, there is no struggle in singing. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the physical or the emotional part. So not emotional part. This is when I know that there is no struggle. She is a natural. She knows how to sing, how to cleansing, how to put those emotions into her voice. How to translate, how to use singing in order to communicate, to tell the story. And I don't know her yet, so I'm gonna actually get more information about her, because I'm curious about her. But definitely I can see that the reason why she's so expressive and so powerful emotionally, because I'm 100% sure there is something behind her. She knows what it means to rise up, to actually rising above. So thank you very much for recommending this lovely lady and lovely song. And now I would like to recommend someone to you guys, because since I saw that, yes, she had these two more, that immediately, reminded me of someone. She is a singer who sings in English, but she has a lot of love. She has a lot of love, and she is so beautiful. She is so who had a tumor on her tongue, and they need to remove actually a part of her tongue. And she's still singing. She's also an influencer on YouTube. I'm gonna put her link of the channel below the video. Her name is Elly Brown, and I would recommend to check her out because she kept singing even with half of her tongue removed. And she's kind of she's an inspiration to show that doesn't matter what's happening, what you've been through. The point is how you carry on. So thank you very much again to watching my video, and thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, please also post below the video. If you're interested in lessons, you can go to my website phoenixvocalstudio.com. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. If you are someone who has no chance to take one-to-one lessons for any reasons, you can join our membership site where you can get a lifetime access for audio, video exercises, instructions, explanations, and not only the exercises, you can find the audio files which you can use every single day till the rest of your life. You can ask as many questions as you want from me, from your vocal coach, about any technique, any song, any band, any singer. You find the link below the video so you can start your training even today. Thank you very much, and see you soon.